What's the very first thing that I had loads of success with in my kitchen garden? This right here. This is Rocky Top lettuce salad blend from Baker Creek Seeds. Years ago, my good friend Allison gave me a package of this and said, you got to try it. So we put this all in our new kitchen garden in Houston, and there was so much lettuce. It just grew and grew and grew. We harvested lettuces from like October all the way till April of that year, and I was hooked. I was pulling lettuce every single day for our family, and we had so much that I was giving it away. So anytime I needed to bribe someone to keep my kids or do a favor for me, I'd bring them a big bag of lettuce. Anytime I went to a party, I brought lettuce. I was addicted, and I could not believe that more people weren't growing their own lettuce. So if you've never tried it, I highly recommend. This is still a great time to grow lettuces. I'm going to plant it here. I'll get it up and growing before frost, and then I'll cover it with frost protection in October and November. If you're in a warmer climate like Houston, you can grow this stuff all winter long. It's amazing. The seeds are super tiny, so I highly recommend not using gloves when you're planting it, and using a little dibber. This is a dibber. So you're going to take your seeds and first make a row with your dibber, and then you want to take your seeds and you have a little touch to it, but basically you're going to take your two fingers, your thumb and your forefinger, is that what it's called, and pointer finger, and rub them together so that you drop one seed like every 3 inches. You're going to do that all the way down the row, and then you can make another row 3 or 4 inches over from there. Super easy. All you need is some compost, like a freshly cleaned out bed. This one needs to get cleaned out a little bit more. The seeds and a dibber, and you're good to go. Pretty awesome, right? So it was all those years ago that I started growing lettuce, and it was because I was like so excited about it that I started Rooted Garden. If you see my logo for Rooted Garden, it's actually a big bouquet of lettuce, because that was just the thing that I wanted to share with the whole world, especially in Houston. So if you've got a passion to share something out of your own kitchen garden too, maybe you're not a beginner, maybe you're an experienced gardener, then I would love for you to think about starting your own business too. I'm on a mission to get hundreds of people owning their own kitchen garden businesses, and I've got a workshop to tell you all about it. So go to the link in my bio and click it, and you can watch the workshop anytime today. And it's super fun. I'm going to tell you the story how I started with my own little bowl of lettuce and grew Rooted Garden to a 6-figure business. But if you don't want to do that, that's cool too. Just grow some lettuce. It's so good, it's so delicious, and I promise you'll actually want to eat lettuce, maybe for the first time in your life. Thanks to Baker Creek Seeds for making the most awesome lettuce blend ever. They didn't sponsor this post. I just love their seeds. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for bringing back the kitchen garden with me, and I'll see you in the salad garden.